Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your JBL Cinema SB120 to your smartphone or any other device using Bluetooth. So in order to do this, first make sure that your device is powered. So right now mine is powered off. Let's click on the power button on the pilot to power it on. Next is to click on BT button on your pilot. It's located right here. So click and hold it for 3 seconds. And this blue LED lamp should start flashing in blue light. Now you can pick up your phone or any other device you want to try connect Bluetooth to. So mine is right here. Now let's refresh the list. It should show here in a second. Here it is, so click on it, click on pair. Now your device will be connected, and here let's go for the YouTube to play some music. And as you can hear, the soundbar plays music from my phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.